go float on down the river, shall we? Bring you guys along. We're not going to float on the river. You guys are going to float in the river. And not just any river. The Colorado River. Okay, it's recording. All right, ready? Here we go.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh no, I'm running out of water.
You want to swim? I think you could swim. Come on, swim. No, I could.
Now with that breeze. We are actually...
Oh, I think it's going deep. Right?
If it does, you walk toward there.
Where?
This way. Toward the shore.
I think it's really. Oh my goodness.
No, that's not bad.
Woo.
It's only 4 feet. Here, hold on. My water's floating out of my plug. I'm in too narrow or too shallow water here. It's a weed. What's that? What is that? Let's find out. Michelob Ultra. It was. It's harder walking here because it's so narrow or so shallow that I can't put my camera in the water. This is a workout and a half, I'll tell you what. Oh, they cheat. Oh, good. It's GoPro is. I don't see them.
Yeah, it's getting shallower.
Now?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hope I didn't hurt your leg there. It's
No.
gripping pretty tight. Uh-oh. Somebody's coming. This is going to be a good video. Right there. This is going to be a really good video. Watch this. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Watch.
No.
Have to compensate for the running. It's shallow like this. I'll tell you when to turn and burn. I don't see him.
Go now. Start
Now.
Go now. Go now. Go now. Go now.
Made it. Got it. Careful. There's a steep drop off right here. There. Got it. Here. Yeah. Got it. Cool. I'm really surprised I made it. Whew. Workout, huh? Oh, boy. Remember what they taught me in lifeguard school, because I don't want my wife drowning, you know?